Got on the lift track. Shit is toast. But hey, I'm gonna get back to you whenever we take the clutch out. Almost out. Almost out. Over with it. Hey, new clutch right there, man. Turns out. Gotta drop the exhaust. Flywheel. Just finished polishing that. Old clutch. Shit fucked, man. Hey, we almost at 1,000 subscribers. Long tubes, X pipe, and cam. Let me know. Get me to 1,000. Transmission back in. We started at 5:30. It's probably like 8:10. 3 hours. I got the drive shaft back up. Exhaust back up. That's it. Got the bag running. 4 hours. Took 4 hours. But hey, new clutch in, man. Hey, video's finna drop.